G'day, how you going? Welcome to my garden. We'll just wait for that aeroplane to go over. Just having a morning coffee. And I'm setting up to get my microphone, camera, all the settings correct for my studio to start filming again. But I want to show you a few things have changed outside while I'm setting up as well. So I'm just using this opportunity to do some test filming and see how we go. As you'll notice, paving is now down. It used to be decking, timber decking, but it got rotted and weathered, broken, had to throw it away. But I want to show you what else, other side habit I've been getting into while I was gone away. And it was my veggie garden. I want to show it to you, so come on over and have a look. I found this pot the other day at a job, getting thrown out, and I thought I can put it to use. As you can see, I've got a lot of pots off the ground. Come over here and I'll give you a bit of a look what's going on. So tucked in there, I've got some cherry tomatoes and normal tomatoes. To the left of that there, we've got some white onion. I've got rainbow carrots right here. And then behind there is the broccolini. I've already harvested some of this and ate it. And beautiful. It's so good eating fresh vegetables from your own garden, and a lot cheaper than the supermarket. I can't wait for these ones to grow. These are my red capsicum. I love capsicum in a stir fry or a salad or even on a sandwich. Beautiful. I'm waiting for them to grow. They're gone so expensive in the supermarket. And all around here I've got some gourmet lettuce, some cost lettuce here. That's an iceberg lettuce, but I had it growing with that one and it got deformed. There is another one here that's looking more decent and normal. Got a chili tree just there. And the other gourmet lettuce is at the back, which are just here. And I got to say, there's nothing better than coming out here, snipping some of these lettuce leaves off, taking inside and washing them and putting them in a bowl and making your own fresh salad, adding a bit of cheese. I do have some tomatoes and cherry tomatoes. These are my favourite to put into the salad bowl, what I prefer, and these are good for sandwiches and other bigger salads. And some more of the broccolini again. Down here I've even got some coriander, which I love in pie flavoured meals. So as you can see, a lot of it's all off the ground, just in pots. I started buying purpose pots from the hardware, and then I realised you can use any pot. Put it on any object to keep it off the ground. Less ants and snails get into it, but you still get the bugs in there from moths landing eggs or whatever may be. So you just got to keep an eye on that. But really, I'm enjoying it. It's a good hobby to get enthusiastic about. It's just great, and you benefit from it because you'll be able to eat it. Why put a lot of plants in your garden you can't eat when you can just simply put some in that you can damn well eat? It's a beautiful idea. Wonderful, and I love it. So what I want to do now is take you into the studio and just where I'm setting up and finish my coffee. But as a lot of you know, I've been very, very busy working, and it's been keeping me away from the camera, where now I want to start filming. It might take a longer period of time to process a video and to produce one, but at the end of the day, we're going to get something out there so I can still do my work and still do my YouTube. So let's go in there and just have another sticky beat while I set up as well. I haven't filmed over a year, and I'm trying to remember the settings and the process I went through creating my videos. I know how I set this up, but it was transferring files, what setting I had the camera on. A lot of things have gone flat, recharging, replaced. I have a new microphone, as you can see, a wireless microphone, so hopefully they're going to work a lot better. I just got to start sorting all this out now and remembering, it'll come to me, just remembering how I was setting things up and what was getting turned on. I do know there was an LED set up behind there somewhere. Yeah, and me monitor and all my stuff down here. So I look forward to producing my latest video. There will be little snippets pulled out of it and teasers posted out, so you get an idea of what's coming up, because like I said, they're going to take longer to produce, but at the end of the day, they're going to be worth it. They're going to be a quality video you can really sit back and enjoy and watch and learn something from. Because a tutorial, if you really want to learn something from a tutorial, in my opinion, You need to watch it a few times just to absorb the information, because the first time you could have missed things. And it's just good to absorb it and know how to set yourself up in your plan of attack to execute your version of that tutorial. So I'm going to try and make sense of all this stuff on my table here and get it all sorted, water filled up, ready for filming. And I've got to do some research as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this insight video of what I'm about to get up to and what I've been up to. And I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. Goodbye, good luck, and good on you.